Hello kids. In previous class we learned about the means of communication. So let us continue the topic. So in previous class we learned about the postal system and telephone. So it is a personal communication. Today let us learn about the mass communication. So what do you mean by the mass communication? Yes, so mass communication means some means of communication such as radio, television, and newspaper, etc. So are used to communicate with millions of people at one time. So at millions of people at one time, we communicate with millions of people at a time. This is called as a mass communication. So what do you mean by mass communication? So communication which help us to communicate with millions of people at a one time, at the same time, it is called as mass communication. So example for mass communication is radio, television, newspapers. Yes. So why do we use this mass communication? Let us learn. So, companies often need to advertise their products to a large number of people at the same time. So, some companies need to advertise their product to the large number of people. How they do that? As they use the mass communication like radio, newspapers, and televisions. They advertise their product in these mass communication. Similarly, news about what is happening around the world has to reach a large number of people at the same time. So similarly, some news have to reach to large number of people. What is happening around the world? So this has to reach to the large number of people. So how it will reach? Yes, it will reach through this mass communication. So for this purpose, we use newspaper, magazines, radio, and televisions are used. So they are called means of mass communication or mass media. So means of communication which is used to communicate with large number of people at a time, at the same time, it is called as mass media. So which will help some companies to advertise their product to the large number of people, and some news should reach to all the people. So how it will reach? Yes, it will reach through the means of mass communication. Yes. So newspaper give us detailed news of events taken place in our country as well as in the world. So newspaper will give detailed information whatever the incident taken place in a country as well as in the world. So newspaper and magazine, it is very popular and it is very cheapest means of mass communication. So newspaper will enable us to know the news of incident from all over the world. So they also publish the local news also. So do you all have a habit of reading the newspaper? Yes, you should develop a habit of reading the newspaper. Okay. Yes, so even magazines help us to know about the various activities, okay, and incidents taken place in the world. So newspaper and magazines also have advertisements, so they advertise some products, even newspaper and magazines. So not only in televisions. So you know that when you open the newspaper, there you can see some advertisements even in the magazines. So they inform us about the progress and development of the countries. So this newspaper will inform us about the development of the country. Next is radio and television. So it is also one of the example for the mass communication. Radio and television provide the latest information on important event. Besides, we can listen to or watch a variety of programs. Some programs are for entertainment while other are for information. So radio is one very important and useful means of mass communications. So who invented radio? Yes, so it was invented by, yes, it is invented by whom? Yes, it is invented by Guglielmo Marconi. So he invented radio. So he was a Italian scientist. Marconi was a Italian scientist. So radio brought real revolution in the field of mass communications. So we can listen to the radios. Do you all have habit of listening to the radio? Yes. So it can be used to transmit message to any part of this world. So it helps even illiterate people also. Illiterate people means those who don't have the, so those who are not able to read, they can listen to this radio. So it will help to the illiterate peoples to learn many useful things. So radio has provided to be a cheapest means of mass communications that binds the whole world together. So it will bring the whole world together. So even televisions, so television is also one of the important means of mass communications. So who invented television? Yes, so it was invented by J.L. Braid. So it enables us not only to hear voice but also to see the pictures of a person speaking. So television is one of the most popular and important means of mass communication. Besides this communication, it also provides us with recreation. Recreation means more activities. So we can see more programs. So we can see the varieties of programs like films, news, even some plays, games, serials, crickets, or football matches, etc. is sitting at the home. So this is all about the mass communication. Let us learn about these satellites. So today satellites placed high above the earth will help to send telephone messages, radio and TV programs around the world instantly. So this satellite will help us to reach the programs. So this will place high above the earth, so which will help to send the telephone message, which will help to listen to the radio, and which will help to watch the TV program. So it is placed high above the earth. So it is because of these satellites that we are able to see some sports and other events taken place in any part of the world live. So sitting at the home, we can watch in the television some live programs. We can listen to some live programs in radio. How it is possible? Because of this satellite. So by sitting at the home, we can listen to or watch some live programs because of this satellites. So children, can you name a few events that you have seen live on the television? Yes. For this question, you will answer there itself. So you will answer here itself. You should name a few events which you have seen live. So live programs. So on the television you will mention here. Okay. Yes. Internet and email. So computer and internet have made the communication faster and more efficient. So computer will work through the internet. So if you want to browse anything, you can use this internet and browse through the Google, right? Yes, so computer and the internet have made the communication faster. So if you have a computer, you can log on to the internet and send emails. So through the computer, or through the smartphones. Nowadays you can use smartphones like a computer also. So through the computer and through the smartphones you can send the emails. So send the messages through the emails. So you can send pictures and messages from one computer to another on the internet. You can also get information like weather, what is happening around the world, and anything you want to know through the internet. So not only no need to watch the television, you can get some information even in your smartphones or even in your computer if you have a internet connections. Yes. Next is smartphone and e-readers. So do you all have smartphones? I hope everyone, right? Yes. So the smartphones nowadays it work like a computer, right? Yes. So each day newer and better machines that helps the communications are coming out. So some of these are smartphones and the e-readers. Most smartphones can be used to send the messages, or you can search anything. Means if you want to know around the world what is happening around the world, you can get the message through this smartphones if you have a internet connections. So smartphones combines the features of phones and a computer. So it can be used to make a telephone calls or send and receive emails and check office documents. So the smartphone is used to make a telephone calls. You can carry to anywhere, wherever you go, and you can send or you can receive emails and you can send messages through the smartphones. Yes, it also allows you to play music and take up photographs. Yes, I hope you all know how to use this smartphones, right? Yes, you can take photographs in the smartphones. So you also can play musics in the smartphones. So nowadays you are using the smartphones. Why? Yes, to watch the online classes, right? Yes. So an e-reader, e-book reader is also called an e-reader, can be used for downloading and reading digital books and periodicals. So these e-readers, or we call it as e-book readers. It is used to download and read the digital books. So this is all about the latest means of communication. So all these latest means of communication have brought the world closer and helped to connect people better. So all these latest means of communication will help the people to come together. It will help the people to get the world closer, and it will help the people to connect one people to another in a better way. So this is all about the communication. So some inventors have made our life comfortable and easier. So we should be grateful to them, right? Yes. I hope all have understood about this communication. Thank you. Have a great day.